So here we go, guys. The the new KFC range of the ultimate KFC barbecue range for limited time only. We've got basically what you get for £13 is some gravy, some basic gravy, single piece chicken, some portion of chips, and some barbecue or chicken bites, and the signature burger for this month is a fillet burger, bit of mayo, cheese, lettuce, and a bit of barbecue on that one. Guys. We're alongside with some Fanta and some barbecue sauce. But give it a moment and I'll tell you how it is. Look, guys, let's dive into this burger and see what it is, huh? Got me all over. So, the new Ultimate Barbecue Chicken Burger, quite nice. You can definitely taste the smokiness of the barbecue, and definitely perfect for the barbecue sauce as well. Well, and all that shit. Definitely worth it. Worth a bite. Let's have tried these barbecue bites. So the best a big, like a big mega size popcorn chicken doused in barbecue sauce, but it's nice. It's perfect as well. It just standard basically mega size chicken popcorn doused in basically a bit of barbecue sauce, nice, like in the usual. But yeah, guys, what do I think of this ultimate chicken burger? The ultimate barbecue chicken burger. Probably 7 out of 10. Could have been better, could have been worse. But KFC is just KFC. It is what it is. But yeah, but definitely enjoy it though. Definitely 7 out of 10, guys. But yeah, without further ado, I've loved it. If you're down, give it a try. See what I think, guys. Bye bye for now.